Hi, good day, Ma'am Elenita. This is Aldrin B. Casañares from BSED English 3A, and in this video, I am going to discuss or report on the period of Reformation. So let's start. So historians usually date the start of the Protestant period. So by the way, this is also known, period of Reformation, also known as the Protestant period or the Protestant Reformation, to the 1517 publication of Martin Luther's 95 Theses. Its ending can be placed anywhere from 1555 Peace of Augsburg, which allowed for the coexistence of Catholicism and Lutheranism in Germany, to the 1648 Treaty of Westphalia, which ended the 30. The Protestant Reformation, 1517 to 1648, refers to the widespread religious, cultural, and social upheaval of 16th century Europe that broke the hold of medieval church, allowing for the development of personal interpretations of the Christian message and leading to the development of the modernization state. One legacy of the Reformation was the formation of several different branches of Christianity. So these include Lutheranism, Calvinism, and Presbyterianism. Another legacy was the diminished power of Catholic Church. A third legacy was the religious wars that took place in the 16th century and 17th centuries. That's all.